this is what we're reviewing today, the Gund Magical Light Up and Sound Unicorn. Pat its back. It lights up, makes different sounds. Nice and simple, lovely toy. It's probably thought of more of a girl toy, simply because of its different colours and the fact it's a unicorn. Unicorn things are mostly aimed at girls. But shall we actually see what my two boys, who are 7 and 4, think of this little unicorn?
Oh! Yay!
What is it?
The unicorn what makes sounds. How do you make sounds?
We'll have to work that out, won't we? Is there anything that we have to remove to make it make sounds?
I just it! I fixed it! You pat my wings! But how does it do it when you stroke it?
I don't know, it's gonna be magic. So what do you like about it?
Cause it glows.
Because it glows.
Yeah. Hug. What should we call it? Rainbow. Yeah, let's call it Rainbow.
Rainbow the unicorn.
Yeah. Hello, Rainbow. Hello.
What does it do?
I like it because of it.
You like it because when you touch its mane or its wings, it lights up and makes a sound?
Yeah, like this.
And how do you play with it? What do you do with it?
We play together.
You play together?
Rainbow.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
No.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
No.
And what's your
I like
favourite?
everything about it.
Like everything about it, okay.
Yeah.
Which kind of children do you think likes playing with this?
Hannah?
You get your friends to play with her too? Is it a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Why is it a girl?
Because it's
Because it's a unicorn. Are all unicorns girls? Okay. So let's head over and see Natalie Ray from Plutonium Sox's children. They're two girls and they've got the exact same unicorn as us, and we'll see what they think of it. What do you like best about this unicorn?
it's cuddly. It lights up.
So as you can see, both of Natalie's girls love their unicorn, and they said that they both think it's a girl toy. Whether that's because they think it is just for girls, or because they think if they said that it was a boy toy, then they would get to keep it, I don't know. Shall we see what my two think and whether it's for boys or girls? Is it a toy for boys or girls? So both boys and girls like this one, because it's cool, isn't it? Do you want to go and play with Rainbow?
Now it's my turn to hold.
And what do you like about Rainbow?
It knows when you stroke it. Let me see if it does it to the tail. I want to see if it does it to the tail.
So my two think that this toy is for girls and boys. That's for both of them, and they love it, and they're definitely not going to be giving up anytime soon, I'm sure. So this lovely unicorn should be for anybody who likes unicorns, likes sparkly things, light up things, and it's for any gender. Bye!